Today, we're going to learn how to apply filters to your clips. Filters are a simple but powerful way to enhance your video's color, mood, or style without complicated editing. Start by selecting the clip you want to enhance on your timeline. On the right hand editing menu, tap Filter. You'll see a variety of filter categories like Basic, Vignette, Retro, Film, and more. Each one gives a different look. Some add a cinematic feel, others give a retro or dramatic vibe. Tap on any filter to preview it instantly in the preview window. Once you find a filter you like, adjust the intensity slider. Lower intensity is great for a natural look, while higher intensity makes the effect more dramatic. Make sure to place your clip after adjusting the filter to see how it looks in motion. Some filters might look different when the video is moving compared to a still frame. When you're happy with the look, tap the check mark to apply the filter. Repeat this for other clips to give your video a consistent and professional style. And that's it. Filters are one of the easiest ways to make your videos visually appealing in Kinemaster. Play around with different categories to see which one fits your video best. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Kinemaster editing tips.